October the 21st. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, good. When most of us were born, there was about 3 billion, right? So in our lifetime, it's kind of doubled and a bit more. By 2050, there's 9 billion. That's a conservative estimate. That's a conservative. Some of the UN estimates put it up to 12 billion. Okay. How many resources of the Earth's resources do we use today if we've measured it in the amount of Earths we're using today? I'm sure anyone knows anything about one planet, maybe. How much of the Earth's resources are we using every day? It's about 1.3 at the moment today. So basically we're using more than the Earth can sustain. If we all lived like Americans, it would be 5. Okay? If we all live like Dutch guys, you guys, it would be about 3 Earths we need. Right? If you live like me and you travel like me, it's about 9. It's awful. Okay? Not going to come on to that. So, one Earth, we've only got one Earth, there's going to be more than 30-something% more people on that. But there's some other things I think is even more interesting, is that how many of the people on the planet today are kind of, have a buying capacity? Are kind of, I would say, rich like us. 40%. It's about 1 billion out of that 6 billion have a high buying capacity. By that time, 9 billion, there'd be about 5 billion people will have a high purchasing capacity. That's a massive change. So when you start to think about that, that means we're going to need a lot more water, a lot more energy, a lot more of everything, because we're going to be buying a lot more of everything. So we're coming up and we're talking about some massive change that's going to happen. And this is kind of, I like to call it the big squeeze. So this again is the natural step. And it's telling us we've got this consumption happening. We're consuming more. And every day we've got less resources. And those two lines are going to crash, right? So what we need to do is kind of find a new way of living. And this is sustainability. That's the point where we've got to get to.